channel Baby Cartoon TV. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Let's learn our shapes with this fun song. This is a circle, round and round. Roll it, spin it all around, like the sun up in the sky. Circle, circle, nice and high. This is a square, four sides the same. This is a triangle, pointy and neat. Three straight sides that love to meet, like a slice of pizza pie. Triangle, triangle, reach the sky. This is a rectangle, long and tall, like a door upon the wall. And here's a star that shines so bright. Twinkle, twinkle through the night. Shapes are everywhere we go. Look around and you will know. Circle, square, star and more. Learning shapes is never a bore. So clap your hands and sing with glee. Shapes are fun for you and me. Round and pointy, tall and small. We love shapes, one and all.
The channel Baby Cartoon TV. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.